What? What's up everybody, Lucas here. So in continuation of this learning flips on the inside of your house series, I have often used this trusty mattress here as my crash landing pad. It's absorbed many impacts, many falls, prevented me from slamming into the ground. Now, what if you don't have a mattress? Or what if your mattress is bound by rules? You're not allowed to use it. In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a few different experiments. And by the end of this video, I'll let you guys know what I think the best option is for creating your own crash pad in the house. Dismantling your entire house, creating a huge mess. Learning flips though, but you gotta focus. Couch cushion, puzzle piece with the blanket addition. Check it out. You just put a few couch cushions. You want to stagger them. Wow, these are small. Hopefully if you have more couch cushions, pillows, you put them all together, you know, make like a little puzzle piece. Take as many blankets as possible and cover the tops like this so it holds them solid together. Make sure the cracks are sealed, make sure it's tight. That's why I like to put the blanket over it, because it kind of holds it together as one. You can make a more thick section in the back here by just really piling on more blankets in the back. So if you're flipping this way, so when you land, boom, you land on that. All right, let's try it out. Oh, it's actually really soft. Oh, works like a charm. And I assume a lot of you kids will probably have more couch cushions. So when you're getting pretty close to landing a flip, what you can do is you can stack just a bunch of blankets on top of each other. Fold them up, a couple inches thick. I might recommend a few more because this is kind of hard, but if I was getting close to landing a flip, you know, feeling good. Oh, it's still kind of, ow. The next on the list, the cardboard craze, all right? I got this idea from Plan Zero. Assembling my cardboard boxes, you know, in a manner, you know, just trying to fill in the gaps here. So we'll use this guy. I'm doing kind of like a wedge shape, maybe throwing a pillow just to kind of even things out. And now all you gotta do is just throw a blanket over it. Blanket evens everything out and it tightens it up. Maybe throw two. Before you just go grabbing every cardboard box in sight, I want you to be sure that there's nothing inside the cardboard boxes and there's no staples on the cardboard boxes, because you don't want to be punctured by a staple. Make sure your boxes are empty if you're gonna do this. All right, let's test it out. Oh! I want you to be sure that there's
nothing inside the cardboard box.
Oh! Ah! That's why I should always check the contents of the box. Look, beans. All right, I'm just gonna leave and I'm gonna leave. All right, dirty clothes for a cause. Since you already made basically a huge mess of the house, holy moly. Get your dirty clothes, make a huge pile. Dirty, clean, they're still soft. Then all you gotta do is just throw a blanket over it. All right, let's try it out. Oh, kind of works. Ugh. You might wanna use more dirty clothes. Hamburger buns, bags of chips, things that have a lot of air in them will help absorb the impact. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my goodness. Seriously, if you had a lot of dirty clothes, it would probably work well. Look at this. Even on the wall? What the heck, man? You can actually clean this up pretty fast with a vacuum cleaner. Yeah. Do you guys see this? This room is not anymore the way it used to be. No. Where'd you go? All right, now some honorable mentions and why the absolute heck no. Toilet paper roll crash pad. No, too messy, too expensive, not even. Towels. Towels would be good, I would say, but why not just use blankets? They're bigger than towels. Stuffed animal pile, crash pad. That would be good if you had a lot of stuffed animals. Then it might be uneven. Beanbag fill, absolutely not. You guys saw what happened down there. It took forever to clean up. I think the beanbag fill isn't as soft as you think. You actually would sink through to the bottom probably pretty quickly. You need quite a lot of volume. Empty water bottles, clever. Too uneven, empty pop cans. I would rather do empty water bottles before empty pop cans, because pop can, yeah. First of all, you'd land on them a few times, they'd start to get really flat, and it would start to hurt more and more as you keep landing on them. Packing peas. No, fill up the bathtub with water and All right, all said and done, the best option for creating crash pads using household items was, in my opinion, the couch cushions with 1 or 2 blankets over the top of them. It held its shape pretty well. It felt most like a crash pad at a gymnastics center. It was even. I thought it was pretty good. Actually, I thought it was almost better than the mattress because the mattress kind of bounces back, you know? Oh, the crash pad that was created with the couch cushions and the blankets just kind of absorbed the impact. However, for these tutorials, I'm still gonna use this trusty mattress here, right? Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, more coming. Thank you so much for all your positive feedback. Peace, you all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.